this hair to my god, this is so soft and silky and smooth. Hello, how are you doing? Recently, I dyed my hair, so my hair is super dry and got lots of damages. Like had lots of split ends. Can you see? Today, I will introduce you a hair care that you can do at home, super easy and low cost. But you get a salon quality hair, like nice and silky. So. Step 1, comb your hair. Step 2, you will use leave-in treatment or conditioner. Push twice, like around this area. You know, the area that gets lots of damages, like, you know, tip of the hair. You know what? Maybe I should put more. And leave it for 10 minutes. Step 3, put the conditioner. Don't be shy, it's much cheaper than going to the salon and get the hair treatment. Make sure to put the inside, like here too. Step 4, when you're done putting conditioner, you go into the shower, make your hair wet, and you do the shampoo. Don't put it around here. You put it on here and then give a nice massage. And you use the conditioner again and do the regular, you know, the shower routine. Step 5, dry your hair a little bit and put the leave-in treatment one more time. Perfect. Step 6, dry your hair. Use a dryer. Do you see how silky and smooth they are? Oh my god, super soft, super smooth. Very nice, wow. And I'm not sure if you can see it, but do you see the shine? Like, it's shining. And it's so soft. So it was super easy, didn't take a lot of time, and it didn't cost a lot of money, but we still got salon quality result. So I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.